Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest digital tips and tricks. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send an ACH payment on PayPal in 2025. If you're looking to make secure, bank-linked transfers without the hassle of checks or cards, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, what's an ACH payment? It's basically an electronic funds transfer straight from your bank account, known for being reliable, cost-effective, and often faster than traditional methods. By 2025, PayPal has made it even easier to integrate ACH with their platform, especially for everyday transactions like paying friends, bills, or online purchases. To get started, make sure your PayPal account is all set up. Log in to your PayPal dashboard. It's the same one you use for regular payments. Head over to the Wallet section and verify or add your bank account. This step is crucial because ACH payments pull directly from your bank, so double-check that everything's linked correctly. Now, onto the main steps. From the PayPal homepage, click on Send and request money. Enter the recipient's email address, phone number, or PayPal username. Next, when you select your payment method, look for the ACH or bank transfer option. PayPal's interface might call it Bank or ACH Direct by 2025, so keep an eye out for that. Once selected, input the amount you want to send and add a quick note if needed, like for the invoice. Review all the details to avoid any mistakes, then hit Confirm. That's it, your ACH payment is on its way. A few quick tips. ACH transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to process, so plan ahead. Always ensure you have enough funds in your account to avoid fees or declines. And remember, this method is great for larger payments since it often has lower fees than credit cards. There you have it, folks, a simple guide to sending ACH payments on PayPal in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.